Alright, here's how you change your name on Facebook using the mobile app. First, find the Facebook app on your phone. Then, tap the menu. On Android, this is usually in the top left corner. On iPhone, it might sometimes be on the bottom right instead. From there, find the Settings and Privacy section. Expand it, and from there, we'll go to Settings. Once you're in the settings, we'll head to Accounts Center. Tap your profile there, select it again, and go to Name. Here's where you can edit it. So, change your name, and once you've made your changes, tap Review Change. And it'll ask how you want your first and last name ordered. A couple of important things worth knowing before you do this. There's a 60-day wait between name changes. So once you change it, Facebook won't let you change it again for 60 days. So make sure it's spelled exactly right before confirming. Also, Facebook requires you to use your actual everyday name. You can't include symbols, numbers, or unusual capitalization. If you want to add a nickname or alternate name instead, like a maiden name for example, you can do that separately under Manage Other Names. I could add a nickname there, and even choose to have it displayed at the top of my profile. Anyways, that is how you change your name on Facebook. Click that like button if this video helped, and subscribe for more easy guides like this. Thanks all, see you in the next one.